Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 58. The slope of the line with equation 2x minus 2y equals 7 is? So to start with the questions, we have to know what is the slope of a line. Okay, so the equations, the linear equations, they call the line. Okay, and it's have linear equations. It have the form of y equal mx plus b, where m is the slope, what we want to find, and b is the y-intercept. So you see that if we can somehow rewritten this equations in the form of y equal mx plus b, then we can know what is m, right? So to do that, we want to isolate y. So you see that because the left hand side only have y, so we want to isolate y. So let's do that. We have 2x minus 2y equals 7. Now we subtract 2x both sides. This one gone. We have minus 2y equal minus 2x plus 7. Okay, now we want to isolate y, so we divide both sides by negative 2. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1. 1 times y is y. Equal, remember it will have a plus b over c, that is a over c plus b over c. Common denominator, you can make them the numerator together, or you can separate them like that, okay? So negative 2x over negative 2 minus 7 over 2, or add 7 over negative 2. If we write negative a over b, you can write negative a over b, or you can write a over negative b. It's the same thing, okay? So we rewrite one more time. Y equal that negative 2 make it 1x. Remember, if I write 1x, it's the same thing as x, but in this case I still write 1 because I want you to see easy to matching with the linear equation form, okay? So minus 7 over 2. Okay, so like I said, we can rewrite this one. Y equal mx plus b. Our answer is y equal x minus 7 over 2. You see why I have to write 1 in the front in this case, so you can see exactly what is the slope. The slope m, the one in front of the x, right? And then b right here is this one. In another word, seeing this one and seeing the plus sign in the front of it. So we have the plus sign in the front of it, so this one have the negative right here. So this one is the same thing as you add that. So b is negative 7 over 2. So in this case, they're asking for the slope. It means they're asking for the m value. So m is equal 1. So b is the right answer. But if they're asking for what is the y-intercept, you will say is negative 7 over 2. And in this case, D is the right answer. But whenever the question asks for the y-intercept, okay, in this question, they're asking for the slope, m. So that is equal 1. If you're not really familiar with the linear equations, how to wrap them, I recommend you to watching the video. I will paste the link under this video so that you can review for the linear equation topic. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.